Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix app not installed on Android. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so one of the main reasons why your app is failing to install is because of your phone security. Because the app you're trying to install is from unknown sources. Like for example, if you try to download an app from your browser, your phone will not allow you to install. But luckily, we can enable some settings so we can install app from unknown sources. So first, go to your settings, then go to your privacy and security settings. Now your settings may be different from mine. If that's the case, just search for privacy and settings. Then look for special permission, like this one. And here, you can see install unknown apps. Inside, you can find your browser or your app store that you use to download your app. So for example, I downloaded an app from Chrome. I'll tap on it, and here, you can enable this option right here that says allow from this source. After that, try to install your app again, and it should work. Now the second method is to disable Google Play Protect option from your Play Store. Go to your Play Store, then tap on your icon on the top right corner. Here, you can see the Play Protect option. Tap it, then tap on Settings again at the top right corner. These two options is preventing you to install app from third-party source. You can turn this off in your own risk to install your app. So there you have it. I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.